Hello viewers, welcome to Adbandhan YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shanur Rahman Sohag with you. In this video, now I am talking about difference between star connection and delta connection. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Star connection. Star connection wire is obtained by joining together similar ends of coils either starting or finishing. The other ends are joined to the line wires. The common point is called the neutral or stator point. The three-phase four-wire system is used in power distribution, transformers and small-scale domestic and residential applications. Delta connection. Delta or mesh connection is obtained by connecting the starting end of the first coil to the finishing end of the second coil and so on for all three coils which form like a closed loop or mesh circuit. This three-phase three-wire system is used in power transmission, transformers and large-scale industries and commercial applications. In both systems, the voltage between two-phase line to line is known as line voltage, while the voltage between phase to neutral, line to neutral is known as phase voltage. The voltage between any line or phase and neutral is single phase, while voltage between all three lines or phase is known as three-phase voltage. Keep in mind that the power in both systems are always equal and same, as it is the game of different level of voltage and current only used in different system based on the requirement. Difference between star connection and delta connection. In star connection, the starting or finishing ends, similar ends of three coils are connected together to form the neutral point in the shape of letter Y. A common wire is taken out from the neutral point, which is known as the neutral wire. In delta connection, the opposite ends of three coils are connected together, which forms the shape of Greek alphabet delta. In other words, the ends of each coil is connected with the starting point of another coil and the common joint from the three-phase wires. There is a neutral or star point. In delta connection, there is no neutral point. There are four conductors in star connection. Three-phase wire plus one neutral wire. There are three conductors in the delta connection. Three-phase wire, all are phases. Three-phase four-wire system is derived from star connection. Three-phase four-wire systems. Three-phase four-wire system is also possible in the star connection, as neutral is optional if not needed. Three-phase three-wire system is derived from delta connections. For example, three-phase four-wire system is not possible in delta connection due to the absence of neutral wire. The speeds of star connection motors are slower as they receive 1 divided root 3 voltage. The speed of delta connection motors are high because each phase gets the total of line voltage. Line current is equal to the phase current. Line current is root 3 times of phase current. In star connection, smooth starting and operation with nominal power and normal operation without overheating can be achieved. In delta connection, motor receives the highest power output. Star connection is preferred for long distance transmission and distribution, as it requires low insulation and has a neutral which helps to balance the circuit. Delta connection is preferred for shorter distance transmission and distribution, as it requires more insulation and has the problem of unbalanced currents. Low insulation required as phase voltage is low as compared to delta. More insulation is required as phase voltage equal line voltage. In star connection, the phase voltage is low as 1 divided root 3 of the line voltage. Therefore, it needs a low number of turns, hence saving in copper. In a delta connection, the phase voltage is equal to the line voltage, hence it need more turns which increase the total cost. Star connection is commonly used for appliances which need less amount of starting current, for example, small load applications. Delta connection is generally used for high starting torque applications, for example, large electric motor in the industries, etc. Star connection is a common and general system which is used for both single phase and three phase power transmission and distribution system. Delta connection is a typical system commonly used in the distribution networks and system and industries. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Share my video to your friends. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.